Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from How Logical. In this video, we will be showing you how to create a new account on MeetMe by signing up. In order to create your account, first of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in meetme.com. Then press enter. This will take you into the official website of meetme.com. You can find the sign up section right in the home page. You can use your Facebook information by clicking on Quick Sign Up with Facebook to sign up and create your account. If you prefer to sign up manually, go ahead and type in your name, followed by your email address, then enter your desired password, followed by your gender and your date of birth. Your country might be picked up automatically. If it's not, you can click on the country box and select your country. Now click on Sign Up Free to continue signing up. Now you will be asked to activate your full account. You can do this by signing in to your email address that you entered while signing up. Check your inbox and you will find an email from MeetMe. This might sometimes also end up in your spams folder. Click on the link within the email to activate your account. And now your account has been successfully activated. Now you can use MeetMe both on your smartphone and your PC in order to connect with various people online. So that's all for this video. If you like our content, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you for watching.